I need to make this work. I really need to make this work. Okay. I know there's a way to make my dream life come true. I want to build an art career or a career involving art. Again. Borrar. I'm a stained glass artist based in Argentina. And as someone that works full-time and is trying to do content on the side, I can tell you it's not easy. But I have a dream life. And I trust my instinct. I trust my gut. I listen to what's inside of me. And I know my 9 to 5 is making me miserable in so many ways. But if I don't trust myself, if I don't trust the process, if those windows don't stop making that noise, as you can see, there's a lot going on because it's my only day off. This is my day off. I need to do everything at the same time, and it's the only moment I have to act on my passion, which is stained glass. So you're welcome to my stained glass vlog, in which I not only make stained glass art, but I also make my dream life come true. But I need you to not only be here for the art, but also for the encouragement, for the progress, for the learning, for the sitting down to work. I know I'm a good artist. I know this is a mantra. This is a spell. This one right here is a spell. I wouldn't sell this one. But if you want one, I can make one for you. Look at this. This is magic. And I make this. But while I make this, you know what's the most important? While I make this, to believe in myself. That's the biggest spell you can put on yourself. Trust yourself. Listen to your instinct. Do what you feel inside of your chest. You only know your truth. Nobody else has access to your truth. It only works for you. It's not going to work on anybody else but yourself. We are unique creatures. We pretend we are not. We need to feel that we belong to somebody else's truth because it's human, but at the same time, we are individuals. We are unique, and we need to work on our uniquenesses. Okay? So, this is a vlog about art. This is a vlog about making it happen. And now, the thing I need to work on the most is to believe in myself. I need to know that I'm gonna make it. It's not that to believe that I can make it, but to know. I need to know that I'm going to make it, that a different life is possible, that being an artist is not being a hippie. You know, that's my preconceptions of artists are very, very poor people, and that's not me. That's not me. I want a good life, to have a comfortable life, and I want to be free, and I want to be owner of my time and my actions every day, because now I have a boss. I have so many people over me, from the client to my boss, dictating what my day is about every single morning, every single day, hour after hour, for 9 hours every day, 9, 10, 8, sometimes more. And this is over. And every time I go to work, I try to put myself in this state of mind in which I say, this is just to remind myself I don't belong here, so I have to work harder and harder on my goals, because I cannot do this any longer already. We're fucked because, actually I have to. And it would probably take more than I would love. So today I have a special, after this intro, that because it wasn't necessary, I am talking a lot. You know how they say now, yapping? I didn't learn that at school, but I definitely learned that on YouTube. So I'm gonna stop yapping. So I have to print my pattern in this. It's a sticker. This is a sticker, but it's paper. It's not plastic. So I like it. It's a more environmental friendly. Okay, I'm back. Do you like it? I like it too. Mis tijeras. Okay, now that I have cut all of the parts, I'm choosing definitely these two colors. I am obsessed. Hello, I am obsessed. This is super beautiful. This green is like iridescent and it has a little bit of lilac highlights, and that's why I'm combining this green with this one right here. I got this one from China. As you can see, it's not the same way on both sides, but it doesn't really matter. You know, here in Argentina we get what I know. There's not been one video that I haven't talked about Argentina. I am in Argentina. I don't have access to many glass. So this actually, I bought it from China now that I can. You know, there's been some changes, some very hardcore changes here in the politic realm. But now I know I can buy this glass, and 2 years ago, I wasn't able to buy any glass from China, so I'm grateful. I trimmed down each one of these as best as I could, so now we're ready for grinding. Now I'm going to bring some soapy water, like this, and we're going to soak all the parts in here. Most of the times, grinding is very dusty, and before copper foiling, we really want to have these clean edges so the foil actually sticks to the glass. I'm so glad I chose these colors. I was so right about this combo. It looks very beautiful. They look amazing. They actually look that they were created by a unicorn or something. Like, this is from another world, and I cannot believe I brought it to mine. I am so grateful to be working with such beautiful colors. I could have never ever in my life imagined I would be working with this type of glass, and you know, and I am actually attracting some good into my own existence with this. This belongs to where I belong as well. Like, this is my vibe. This is where I belong to. I don't want to know anything that doesn't have this vibe. It's like, as inspired as I am, let's get copper foiling. I cannot believe I wasn't recording all of this time. Never mind. Was I recording? My two babies are here. Bruno. While creating the type of art that belongs to the world I wish I belong, I'm actually, for one moment, attracting that reality into my current reality. I'm shifting reality. So I am so happy. Now we have to solder. It's solder time. Solder time. And you know, soldering is the crucial moment where you can spoil it all or actually make a good piece. So nothing can go wrong here. Like, look at the world I am creating around myself. Look at this matrix that I'm building. Nothing can go wrong here. We're perfect as we are already. So let's get into it. I hate getting my hands sticky with the flux, and that's why I will be using gloves to manipulate it. And you want to do this too. I mean, I encourage you to use rather a good flux that doesn't leave any residue, or in my case that I don't find that particular brand here in Argentina, I will be using gloves. And I will be having a harder time cleaning my art as well. This we need as well some water. Did you see how it works? First and foremost, I am only going to be tipping each flower separately so I can remove the tape. And after that, I will be soldering them all together. Based on my own experience, it's much better to remove tape before starting to solder the whole piece because it will heat up a lot, and the glue that the tape has with the heat of a solder, it will get very sticky. So we're preventing a mess here, basically. We're done. We finished this beautiful stained glass, amazing, magical and fairy tale mantra and spell. So every time I see it, I will probably hang it from the window, and every time I see it, it will remind me that this is the world I belong to. So I hope you liked it. I hope this inspires you to be creative of your own reality. It's the next day, because yesterday the memory card ran out of memory. This morning I woke up and I decided to add the little detail with the jump ring so it can be hanging from the window. It looks so beautiful. And Yeah, here it is. I hope you like it. I hope it inspires you. Bye.